Access the photo montage feature after designing the PV system. Load a reference photo of the PV installation site. Define horizontal and vertical vanishing lines. Define the relating sample segments that identify known measurements. Add an area already present in the PV system project. Place the surface in the most appropriate position. Disable the surface and activate the photovoltaic system view. Now export the system photo montage to an image format. You can also use photos taken from the actual site too.